Subscribe to Anu's Food Cart, click on the bell icon and select the option all to get notification whenever I post a new video. Hello friends, welcome to Anu's Food Cart. Today I am here to share the recipe of concentrated Nimbu Sharbat. So if you have any sudden guest, you just have to mix it up with water and serve it to them. So without any further delay, let us quickly check out how to make this recipe. Take 3 cups of sugar into a saucepan and place it on medium flame. Add 1.5 cups of water to it and mix it really well. Cook it until the sugar dissolves completely and forms into a sugar syrup. As you can see here, the sugar has dissolved completely. Now we'll turn off the flame. Take 2 tablespoons of peeled ginger into a mixer jar. Add half a cup of mint leaves to it and 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Now grind it into a paste. Take 1 cup of lime juice and add the ground paste into it and mix it so that everything is combined well. Once the sugar syrup has come to room temperature, we'll mix in the concoction of lime, ginger and mint leaves to it and mix it really well. Now pass it through a strainer so that all the big chunks of ginger and mint leaves are filtered. Here we have our Nimbu Sharbat ready. You can store it in a glass container in the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 months. Now I'll tell you how to mix it. Take 1 portion of Nimbu Sharbat in a glass and add 3 portions of water to it. Mix it well and garnish the glass with a lime slice and you're good to go. Enjoy! I hope you all have liked this recipe. You can also add a little bit of senda namak or black salt. Do click on the like button if you did and do not forget to share it with all your loved ones. Also subscribe to my channel for many more such amazing recipes. I'll catch you guys with another one. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Today I'm here to share the recipe. Sorry. Oh my god. Okay, concentrated version so that you can mix it up really easily with I'll try to make a video on how to